Fresh out of college, no IT background, no real project experience, just one goal: to break into ServiceNow. So he did what everyone told him: watch tutorials, take notes, practice daily. On paper, it looked like progress.
But in reality, he was stuck. He could show the steps, but not the thinking.
So he tried to fix it by learning more. But the confusion didn't go away. It got worse. He stopped asking what to learn and started asking what matters.
This is where HackNow is different. Not more content, but real scenarios that build clarity. His answers didn't get longer, they got clearer.
Because learning gets you started, but clarity gets you hired.